Okay, hello everyone. Guys, today we're looking at probability again. All right, this is day 2 of probability, Thursday and Friday. Guys, today's objective, we're going to look at these Venn diagrams to start. All right, describe probability concepts using Venn diagrams. Again, think of this blue here, all the even numbers. And this kind of purplish or light, like violet, they're all prime numbers. Well, the only number they have in common is 2. That's the intersection of those two sets. All right, today's essential question, how can we display different probability concepts? Guys, let's say we have a set, students that play soccer, Alex, Casey, Drew, and Hunter. Has 4 elements, okay? And then there's another set that play tennis, Casey, Drew, and Jade. All right, we can show those two sets as circles and show the elements inside and name each set like soccer and tennis. And then one of the vocabulary words today is union. The union of the two sets. All right, it's all of them together. It's or, either or. All right, and you can make it like this. It's both of these sets together. All right, it shows right here the union, this little U right here. All 5 names are in there. And Casey and Drew, we don't write them again. They're a part of both sets. So, of course, they're a part of the union. The other thing is the intersection. Has to be in both sets. That word is and. Has to be inside both, and both of them. They play soccer and tennis, Casey and Drew. And we show a Venn diagram like that, okay? Kind of that purple in the middle. Sometimes a nice way to remember these U's. The regular U, think of it as a cup. It holds more water, so there's more elements in the set. That's the union. That's the or, either or, so it includes more elements. The intersection is upside down. It's normally smaller, less than or equal to how many elements are in any one set by itself. Okay, it's smaller. Think of the water dumping out. And again, the empty set, it has no elements. I just wanted to mention that. The empty set has no elements. Sometimes they call that the null set, okay? We can also draw 3 sets. All right, the union of all 3 of these sets. They added a set here, volleyball players. Drew, Glenn, and Jade. You notice Glenn here only plays volleyball. Drew plays all 3, it looks like. And Jade just plays volleyball and tennis, okay? The union of all 3 of those sets is in blue here. Or just to show some examples. All right, this is just set S right here in blue. This one is the union of T and V, all right, in blue right here. These 2 together. T or V. And down here is the intersection of S and V. It's only Drew. All right, this is and. It has to be in both S and V. And Drew's the only one, okay? Also, remember, we talked about the complement. So all the elements that are not in the set. And we talked about that, okay? So if we're saying the complement of S is everything not in S, it's all kind of the purple color out here, okay? Everything not in S. They put a little C up here to write complement, and that's okay. You can do that too. And what they do is they list down here the names or the elements that are not in S. Okay? This is a nice little recap of what we talked about. If you want to just, maybe you could copy that and keep it. All right, it's also in the PDF of this slideshow. Okay? Guys, one last thing I want to talk about is search engines. Of course, Google is the king of search engines. Okay? Guys, if you're searching for a web page and you want to find web pages that have dinosaurs and lizards in them, put the word "and," 3 capital letters, A and D, in between those 2 search words. You want web pages or websites with dinosaurs and lizards. Okay? If you want dinosaurs or lizards, either one, just to show up, put dinosaurs or lizards, all right, in the search box. And for or, use these parentheses, okay, just for or. And these are search algorithms. Guys, Google's search algorithm is patented. It's perhaps their most valuable asset. Guys, if you want to find a website about dinosaurs, but you don't want to talk about dinosaur fossils, you just want to know about dinosaurs, not dinosaur fossils, put the word "not" in your search. All right, it will try to eliminate web pages and websites about fossils, and we'll just focus on dinosaurs only. Okay? All right, what's next? Guys, fill out today's notes assignments and complete the summary. All right? The vocabulary words are listed right here again. All right? And, or, yep, those are vocabulary words today. All right, they're in the top green folder, which is where this video is right now. Please complete that and get ready for the second Zoom meeting, and we'll do the vocabulary together again. All right, thanks. That's it.